I am Jolly Good, and one thing which I love the most is traveling. People travel for various purposes: fun, memories, experiences, discoveries, and much more. And I travel for all of it. So I thought to share all of my travels. Namaste, people, and welcome to my channel. Today I am presenting a series, Jolly's Johar, a series where we are going to explore my most of the favorite cities, places, villages, and some of the hidden jewels from my home state, Jharkhand. Well, I am really excited and I am sure that you are also going to love it. So let's get started. I am super excited to feel the soft and calm breezes, the earthy smell, the fresh. So let's get started. So much. As I am going to my village, Bhandaro, I have to cover the distance of 45 kilometers to reach Bhandaro. It has the population of about 1,500 inhabitants with literacy rate 71.6% and sex ratio 996 per man. So guys, there is a fun fact too. मेरे गांव का नाम भंडारो इसलिए है क्योंकि ऐसे माना जाता है कि जब वहाँ पे बहुत बड़े बड़े यज्ञ होते थे या कोई भी वेनरेशन होता था तो वहाँ पे लोग आते थे, उनके लिए भंडारा लगाया जाता था. सो इट्स कॉल्ड भंडारो. ओके. A bustling bazaar and the busy block center. It has 42 gram panchayat. Rivers in Jamua are Mango, Orari and Bara. Trust me, this place is a daily dose for your daily need. Right behind me is the Jamua administration block where all the rural development works are done, and Bhandaro is just 15 kilometers from here. We are crossing Rainbow. It serves as the mini market and is the closest railway station to Bhandaro. The wait is over and I am here in my wonderful village Bhandaro. Bhandaro, the land of revolution, evolution and transformation. The district's center of education, agriculture and politics from the 1950 decades, home of farmers, lawyers, doctors, officers, engineers, educationists and leader. Yes, all in a village. It's the district's first village to have established all the three levels of educational institution. Today, I am here at the Madhya School. It was established in 1957 by Bhatu Mato Kushwaha. Students from far distances, approx 30 to 35 kilometers, come here to study. Right now, I am in the campus of Shri Bhatu Mato Kushwaha Uch Vidyalaya. The campus is spread at 10 acres. The students from Madhya Vidyalaya get transferred here after completion of their primary education. This school was established by Dr. Jagdish Prasad Kushwaha in 1974, son of Shri Bhatu Mato Kushwaha. Talking on the legend, I have a name, Dr. Jagdish Prasad Kushwaha, the man behind the progressive development born for the people. People would come to visit him from far off villages. Doctor by profession, he would treat his patients selflessly. Long back, when rural society was not much powered by the voice of education, which was the cause of their adverse and pathetic situation, these all framed a vast imagination and led him to a vision. And he established the college Dr. Jagdish Prasad Kushwaha College of Competence. Now the college have students from all over the district. The campus is spread in 15 acres. His younger brother, Ritlal Prasad Verma, an advocate and five-time member of parliament and one-time member of Bihar Legislative Assembly. Dr. Kushwaha played a pivotal role in establishing his younger brother at the front dais of politics. Moving on, Dr. Kushwaha's son, Professor Jayaprakash Verma, who was the former principal of the college and served as a member of Legislative Assembly Jharkhand 2014 to 2019. And at present, he is the secretary of the college. And Kushwaha's youngest son, Professor Vivekanand, is the principal of the college. The college hosts many cultural events on 27th January and 15th January every year on the Punyatithi of Dr. Kushwaha and his younger brother respectively. A tribute ceremony is organized by the college community where thousands of people visit to pay tribute to the divine soul, and I feel proud to be born as Dr. Kushwaha's granddaughter. Next on the list, we have the Durga Mandir. This mandir is located beside the college. The idol is made by a murtikar of Doranda with woods of neem. It's a small cultural public spot. Next, we have the Chhat Ghat. It's the closest railway station to my village Bhandaru. The foundation stone was laid by Shri Atal Bihari Vajpayee and the then Member of Parliament Kodarma, Shri Ritlal Prasad Verma in the year 1999. The railway network started recently in 2017 and you can board the train for your journey to Kodarma and Giridih. These are the farm fields and I am amid the soft green weeds, amid the nature. The unseen winds move my hair, and in these movements on the farm there is eternity in each second, a joy that comes in the free bird song and brings steadiness to my heart and soul. So fun at the farms. I love to drive a lot. So I thought, why not drive a tractor? So here I go. Super cozy and calm environment with my family and discussing how my travel today was. Traveling through my village, I have experienced the real happiness is in small things, in beauty of nature, being close to our root. So people, please do a visit a nearby village. Until next time, see you all soon.